In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make library Excalidraw. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save your own drawings as reusable items so you can speed up your workflow and keep your designs consistent. First, head to excalidraw.com and start drawing the objects you want to save for later. This could be anything you use often, like arrows, icons, sticky notes, or a custom frame. Take a moment to clean up your shapes, align edges, and choose colors or strokes you plan to reuse. It's worth making the object look exactly how you want it to appear each time you insert it from your library. Next, you'll prepare your drawing to become a single reusable item. Select all the elements that make up the object. You can drag a selection box around the parts, or carefully click each piece until everything you need is highlighted. Make sure you're not grabbing extra elements by mistake, especially if other items are nearby on the canvas. With everything selected, group the pieces so Excalidraw treats them as one. Right-click and choose Group Selection, or use the shortcut that's fastest for you. Control+G on Windows and Linux, or Command+G on a Mac. Grouping is key because it keeps your object intact when you add it to the library and later when you place it on a new canvas. Now open the library panel. Look toward the top right of the toolbar for the library icon and click it. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press the number 9 key. The library panel is where your saved items live and where you'll add new ones. With your grouped object still selected on the canvas, bring your attention back to the library panel. You should see a preview of your selected object appear inside a square. When you hover over that square, a plus sign will show up. Click the square to add the item to your personal library. That's it, your custom object is now saved and ready to reuse. If you don't see the plus sign, double check that your object is selected and grouped. Ungrouped or partially selected elements won't appear correctly in the library panel. After adding, you can insert your item from the library anytime and it will come in as a single grouped element that you can move, resize, and rotate without losing its structure. With this simple process, you can build a personalized library of your most useful drawings and drop them into any project in seconds.